Hi, Andrew here, and today
I'm free.
to discuss Flatsoy's sunrise fiasco, what has been amusingly dubbed Margate Gate. We all know that Wally made a prediction of where the sun would rise from the viewpoint of Flatsoy's holiday apartment balcony in Margate on the South African coast near Durban. And this was Flatsoy's response. An image of the sun not at sunrise, but about
1 hour later.
And this was his effort at tracing the path of the sun back to the horizon with the help of some footage taken a little bit later. Now sure, his wonky
Laser sword.
line doesn't quite match Wally's visual prediction, and perhaps it would have been a bit closer if he'd done the trace back correctly. But the issue isn't even whether the measured sunrise direction matched Wally's globe prediction, because the direction of the sun can just be predicted from prior knowledge of the annual cycle of the sun. Mind you, Flatsoid couldn't even manage to do the
Very simple.
task of filming his phone's compass pointing towards the sun to verify the direction. No, the real problem for flat earthers is explaining why the sun appears where it does. It's all perfectly explained by the globe, but flat earth doesn't even have a map of the earth, let alone a working model of the heavens. Now, maybe Flatsoid is just incompetent and slept in on his last morning in Margate, missed the sunrise, and had to try to make do with what footage he had. Or maybe
This guy's dishonest.
You see, Flatsoid has done this before. In March 2021, he set out to see if the sun really did rise due east and set due west on the equinox. This time he managed to get up in time to catch the sunrise and measured it to be at 93 degrees, though he didn't actually show himself doing this, but he declared it close enough. And then after spending the day doing the world's least precise test for parallel sun rays, he then measured the sunset direction as 295 degrees. Yes, 25 degrees north of where it should be setting. So, how did this happen? Did he debunk the globe 3 years ago and nobody noticed? No. The sun was at 295 degrees because he was observing it 1 hour and 51 minutes before sunset.
The guy is very dishonest.